Location is crucial because it directly impacts guest appeal, occupancy rates, and revenue potential. Properties in prime tourist areas or near key attractions often attract more bookings and higher returns. To determine if a location has strong demand for hospitality properties, research local tourism trends, local events, and nearby attractions. Use online tools to check the area's search volume for accommodations and consult with local experts for insights. You should start by checking out your locations. The best locations depend on your target audience. Beachfront properties attract leisure travelers, while urban spots near business hubs appeal to corporate guests. Consider who you want to attract. Now let's look for locations with good transport links, such as airports, train stations, or highways. Easy access increases guest convenience and improves your property's appeal. Next, research zoning laws, licensing requirements, and tax policies in the area. Some regions have strict rules for short-term rentals or hospitality businesses. Let's look at a strong market presence, which can indicate strong demand, but it also means you'll need a unique selling point to stand out. Evaluate competitors' pricing and guest reviews to find ways to differentiate. To gauge growth, look for upcoming infrastructure projects and tourism campaigns, or look for new attractions being developed in the area of interest. These signs indicate potential for increased demand. What type of attractions should you look for when choosing your location? Examples would be proximity to restaurants, shops, cultural sites, and natural attractions which enhances guest experience. The more amenities nearby, the more attractive your property will be. If your goal is steady income, choose locations with year-round demand. For high returns, opt for areas with seasonal peaks or luxury appeal. When choosing a hospitality property location, avoid common pitfalls like ignoring market research, underestimating competition, or neglecting local regulations. Accessibility, nearby amenities, and seasonality are critical factors often overlooked. Focusing solely on cost without assessing long-term viability can hinder success. Thorough research ensures your investment thrives in the right market. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.